All right, guys, let's get down to it and try to make it some money. You know, I like Lazard, the symbol, ticker symbol, LAZ. And here's the thing. You've heard me say I don't like the financials, and I don't like those big box guys. I don't know what they own. I know they've sold a lot of this junk to the Fed, but I still don't know how they operate. I'm still a little offended that they took our money in a bailout and they won't give us loans. But this business is a little different. They're mostly in asset management. If you look at the composition of all these, even the big names who have reported so far, everyone's going for this business. It's huge. We're talking about over the next 20, 30 years, the greatest transfer of wealth in history. So much. I mean, trillions, $60, $70 trillion assets. And by the way, this is a global player. So last time they reported record operating revenue for the last 12 months. The advisory business is up 19%. M&A business is up 29%. You guys who watch the show know I think it's going to be a big year for M&A. Operating margins, 25%. To tell you how great that is, from 06 to 09, it was 12%. From 10 to 12, 2010 to 12, 19%. They're involved in some of the biggest deals. AT&T for DirecTV, GE versus Alstrom, the Burger King Tim Horton deal. They're always right in the thick of it. Again, a global footprint. Technically, it's come down. I'd love to see it hold 44. I don't think it should break there. On the upside, if you're using charts, 48.5 for me is a breakout. I like it to 54. It might be a trading vehicle, but I actually think it's pretty good for your 401k. All right, Matt, what do you think of this one?
I like this, and adds diversity to a portfolio that maybe has a Bank of America or some of the other banks. This isn't really a play in a bank. PEG ratio 0.7, forward PE below 14. Fundamentals are great. 2.8% dividend. You get some income with it as well. And I like the M&A. M&A, I think, is going to be strong again this year. Assets under management growing double-digit percentages. I mean, you got everything going for you, Charles, and it just bounced off support at 44.
Yeah, so let's hope it hangs in there. By the way, it traded almost twice the average daily volume today. Hey.